If you've ever dreamed of building your own tiny house, garden room, or vacation retreat, kitHAUS make it easier than ever. Shipped in flat packs with pre-cut or partially assembled materials, these DIY-friendly homes include instructions and everything you need to assemble them on your property. Ranging from as small as 60 square feet to over 1,000 square feet, they offer options for every style, budget, and purpose, whether it's a guest house, office, or cozy getaway. With upgrades for plumbing and electrical available, kitHAUS are a practical and exciting way to turn your big, tiny living dreams into reality. Let's explore the options. Number 26. Pacific Modern Homes, Meadow View. The Meadow View from Pacific Modern Homes provides 616 square feet of living space and an airy 8-foot ceiling height. This cabin-style kit home is designed for comfort and functionality, making it an excellent choice for a detached living space or an in-law unit. The vaulted ceilings in the living and dining areas create an open and spacious atmosphere. The floor plan even accommodates a washer and dryer, ensuring it feels like a complete home. Shell kit cost $37,053, which includes panelized building kit, pre-engineered building plans, and foundation design. Number 25. Allwood, Sommersby. This cabin kit, which costs $8,690, is an ideal place for writers to retreat for relaxation, or even a cozy spot for a weekend getaway. With some additional work to install electricity and plumbing, it could also become a functional home office. This cabin offers a total of 174 square feet of space divided into 2 rooms. The first room is a small foyer located just beyond the double doors, providing a welcoming entrance. The second room is a study area, designed with large floor-to-ceiling windows that allow plenty of sunlight to pour in, creating a bright and inspiring environment. Assembly of this cabin takes about 4 days with 2 handy adults. Do-it-yourself directions come with a kit in the form of numbered drawings and a parts list. Number 24. Deltec Homes 360-Degree Collection. Deltec's 360-Degree Collection offers unique prefabricated kit homes with circular floor plans. Base shell price starts at $46,000. These round designs are not only eye-catching, but also highly versatile and strong. One of the standout features of these homes is that they don't have any interior load-bearing walls. This means you can customize the floor plan however you like, making it a great option for those who want a personalized living space. The homes are delivered as kits, with each piece shipped separately. Their panelized construction makes them especially suitable for homeowners who enjoy building things themselves. However, it's important to note that the standard kits only include the basic structure or shell of the house. If you want features like windows, siding, or porches, those will cost extra. Number 23. Mighty Small Homes, the Cottage. The Cottage kit from Mighty Small Homes offers a roomy 480 square foot space, perfect for a small home. Its A-frame design includes areas for a bedroom, bathroom, living room, loft, and some storage. Each kit comes with a custom floor plan for the interior, but materials for the foundation and skylight are not included. Additionally, items like windows, doors, plumbing, and wiring chases must be purchased separately. While skilled DIY enthusiasts can handle the construction, most people choose to hire a builder. Base kit costs $37,000, while DIY finished cost is an estimated $111,000. Number 22. Shelter Kit, Karen. The Karen model from Shelter Kit is a cozy, 1-story ranch-style kit home with 672 square feet of space, featuring 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. One of its standout features is a charming corner deck. This kit includes all the materials needed to build on an existing foundation, with the exception of windows and doors. According to Shelter Kit, an impressive 85% of their homes are constructed by customers with no prior building experience, making it an excellent choice for first-time DIYers. Base kit cost is $61,500. Number 21. Allwood, Arlanda XL. The Allwood Arlanda XL is a stylish, contemporary kit home with a compact 227 square feet of space. It features clean lines created by vertical wood paneling, full-length windows, and a sleek, flat roof, making it ideal for urban settings. This bright and airy structure is perfect as a home office or workshop. For added functionality, you can include optional walls, electric wiring, and plumbing, creating a kitchenette or bathroom within the 44 square feet of extra space. Shell kit starts at $9,190. Assembly of this product takes about 4 to 5 days with 2 handy adults. Directions come with a kit in the form of numbered drawings and only minimal tools are needed. Number 20. Bungalow in a Box, Guest House. The Guest House kit from Bungalow in a Box, offered by Montswag Brook Corporation, is a highly efficient solution for creating a weather-tight structural shell. These kits are designed with a homeowner's specific needs in mind and include prefabricated components that make assembly straightforward and quick. Construction can be completed within about a week. A crane can make the process even easier. This kit comes in various sizes and styles, ranging from a 12 by 16 foot guest house to a larger 32 by 36 foot barn-style event space. Number 19. Allwood Estelle 5. The Allwood Estelle 5 is a compact, space-efficient kit home divided into two separate areas by an interior wall, making it perfect for two hobbyists. The larger 106 square foot main room can be used as a woodworking shop or music studio, while the smaller 51 square foot room is ideal for sewing or crafting. With two separate entrances and 6 foot 9 inch walls, this design ensures both privacy and accessibility. Assembly takes about 3 days with 2 handy adults. Do-it-yourself directions come with a kit in the form of numbered drawings and a corresponding parts list. Cabin kit starts at $8,000. Number 18. Summerwood Nomad. The Nomad cabin kit from Summerwood offers a versatile and customizable option for those seeking a small yet stylish living space. With 100 square feet of interior space, this cabin features an open loft and high ceilings, making it feel larger than its footprint suggests. Standard designs include elegant red cedar siding, and buyers can choose from a variety of door and window options. Additional features like a slatted wood awning and a front porch are also available. Pre-assembled kit starts at $11,000. Number 17. Allwood Bonaire. If you live in a hot climate, the Allwood Bonaire is an excellent retreat for warm days. This shady wooden cabin comes with large windows, creating a perfect outdoor space for entertaining or relaxing. The 266 square foot interior is versatile, serving as a hobby room, home office, yoga studio, or writing retreat. It features a polycarbonate glazed roof and openings for windows and doors, making it one of the lighter kit homes from the company. With a handy partner, you can assemble the Bonaire in about 3 days. Base kit starts at $13,785. Number 16. Easy Log Structures, Florida. The Florida model from Easy Log Structures is a great option for budget-conscious DIYers. This 211 square foot kit home features interlocking pieces, making assembly easy even for those with limited building experience. Once constructed, the smooth milled logs are ready to be finished with a clear wood preservative and a penetrating sealer stain or paint. The kit includes 2 windows, a double-wide door, and trims for both. Number 15. Jamaica Cottage Shop, Vermont Cottage. If you dream of living in a tiny home that can move wherever you go, the Vermont Cottage from Jamaica Cottage Shop might be the perfect choice. This cozy timber frame house is built on sturdy hemlock wood skids, which makes it easy to place on a trailer with wheels for portability. It has a total space of 320 square feet, which includes a covered porch, a spacious ground floor, and a loft designed for sleeping. The roof is made from durable corrugated material to withstand weather changes, ensuring long-lasting comfort. The best part? You don't need to be a professional builder to assemble it. 2 adults with basic skills can construct the home in about a week, thanks to color-coded materials that match the instructions. Number 14. Q-haus Cliff. For a modern, stylish home that's ready to assemble, consider the Cliff model from Q-haus. This home is designed with large wall-to-wall windows that let in plenty of natural light and a series of rectangular arches that add elegance and privacy to the space. At 785 square feet, this kit home offers a luxurious layout with an open kitchen and dining area, up to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and even a sauna connected to a terrace. Whether you want a permanent home or a weekend getaway, the Cliff model can be assembled within just a few days. Number 13. Allwood Mayflower. If you're looking for a charming tiny home with a rustic Old West vibe, the Allwood Mayflower is an excellent option. This 117 square foot home is a design inspired by the Conestoga wagon used by pioneers. It sits on decorative wheels and can be accessed via stairs. Inside, there's a small cooking nook, a cozy space for lounging or dining, and a beautifully arched roof. The exterior is adorned with window, boxes, and doors that also function as windows, adding to its charm. 2 adults with basic handyman skills can assemble this home in about 3 days. Number 12. Avrame Homes, the Solo. For those who need a small and functional space for a studio, home office, or workout room, the Solo from Avrame Homes is a great choice. At just 140 square feet, this tiny home is compact yet practical. The kit includes pre-cut components, custom hardware, and detailed plans for the structure and foundation, tailored to meet local building requirements. Avrame also provides a step-by-step guide to make the construction process straightforward. Whether you're looking for a personal retreat or an additional workspace, this kit offers convenience and efficiency. Number 11. Allwood Avalon. This charming and practical cabin kit is designed to meet a variety of needs. Base price starts at $39,000. With the addition of electricity and plumbing, it can become a fully functional living space. The house includes a built-in covered patio, which is perfect for enjoying outdoor relaxation or hosting small gatherings. Inside, the loft area, which can be accessed by a ladder, provides 218 square feet of space that can be used as a sleeping area or a quiet spot to relax. The ground floor offers 540 square feet of versatile space, giving you plenty of room to create the layout that best suits your needs. Assembly of the solid wood cabin takes about 2 weeks. A forklift or a small crane is recommended, especially if extra wall planks height is added. Do-it-yourself directions come with the kit in the form of numbered drawings and a corresponding parts list. Number 10. Cedarshed FarmHouse Shed. If you're looking for a smaller structure that's both functional and attractive, the Cedarshed FarmHouse Shed is a wonderful option. This kit comes in 4 different sizes, with the smallest measuring 16 feet by 12 feet and including a 4-foot deep porch. It features a western red cedar exterior, a 5-foot wide double door, windows, cedar shingled roof, decorative shutters, and planter boxes. All the required assembly hardware is included, but some basic carpentry experience is necessary to put it together. This shed is ideal for storage or simple retreat. Number 9. Mighty Small Homes, the Modern. Mighty Small Homes brings a contemporary aesthetic to the tiny home market with the Modern. Available in 3 sizes, 256, 600, and 1200 square feet. Each model offers the possibility of adding a loft. Buyers can customize both the exterior and interior, selecting floor plans, flooring, and even adding a garage. With its sharp angles and large windows, this kit home is perfect for those seeking a modern look paired with practical features. Number 8. Star Energy Tiny Home. The Star Energy Tiny Home is a compact yet functional option, measuring just 667 square feet. This 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is ideal as a cozy vacation getaway or as an in-law suite. The kit includes essential components such as floor plans, wall and roof panels, metal roofing, windows, doors, and necessary hardware. While electrical and plumbing systems aren't included by default, they can be added upon request, making this a practical choice for those looking to build a simple but comfortable space. Number 7. kitHAUS K5 and K6 series. For those who value modern design and versatility, kitHAUS offers the K5 and K6 series of tiny homes. These models range from one-room structures to fully livable homes with a built-in bathroom and kitchenette. Whether you need a backyard yoga studio or a full-time residence, kitHAUS has something for you. The patented MHS aluminum construction system ensures durability, protecting against rust, termites, and mold, while the sleek minimalist design makes these homes visually stunning. Number 6. Eco Home Refuge S500. For those who value sustainability and energy efficiency, the Refuge S500 from Eco Home is an excellent choice. This 513 square foot tiny home is LEED Platinum certified, designed for net zero living, and can function completely off-grid. It's ideal for use as a guest house, a vacation retreat, or even as a permanent residence. The kit includes a pre-finished roof, exterior walls, and high-performance triple-glazed windows and doors. It can be installed on piles or concrete slab foundation, and there are options to add a garage or customize the design further. This eco-friendly kit home is a smart investment for green living. Number 5. Stillwater Dwellings Signature Series. Stillwater Dwellings creates modular kit homes that are modern, high quality, and built with the environment in mind. Knowing for their sleek, contemporary aesthetic, these prefab homes feature open floor plans, large windows, and seamless indoor and outdoor living spaces, perfect for those who appreciate modern architecture. Their kits are delivered as flat packs with prefabricated panels and components that simplify assembly, reducing construction time and waste. For budget-conscious buyers, Stillwater dwellings offer significant cost benefits by eliminating many of the inefficiencies of traditional building methods. The construction process uses methods that reduce waste, and the homes are built to save energy with features like excellent insulation, a tight building seal, and efficient systems for heating spaces and water. This helps keep both energy use and monthly costs low. The total price of these prefab homes includes several important elements, such as fees for the architects and structural engineers, the design of the foundation, permits, the components provided by Stillwater, the cost of the builder, and the interior finishes. Overall, these homes are 20 to 40% cheaper than custom homes designed by architects and built on site. One example of their designs is the 3-bedroom, 2,270 square foot model called SD153. Number 4. Jamaica Cottage Shop, Writer's Haven. If you're dreaming of a quiet retreat for creative work or relaxation, the Writer's Haven by Jamaica Cottage Shop could be your answer. This wooden kit home features a quaint porch and a built-in daybed, making it a cozy escape. At just 216 square feet, it offers a single-room floor plan ideal for reading or writing nook. It's insulated for year-round comfort and can be adapted for use as a small living space with additional modifications. Number 3. Shelter Kit, the Morgan Kit. For a private getaway in the woods or a stylish backyard hideout, Shelter Kit's Morgan Kit is a standout option. Inspired by Pacific Northwest aesthetics, this wooden cabin includes 330 square feet of interior living space, a small loft, a porch, and a deck. Originally designed for a couple in Washington State, it's one of Shelter Kit's most popular small kits, offering a rustic yet elegant atmosphere. Number 2. Conestoga Log Cabins, Aspen and Getaway. Conestoga Log Cabins offers 2 charming options, the Aspen and the Getaway. Both models have a simple rustic design and feature 2 rooms. The Aspen provides 2 private rooms without a bathroom, while the Getaway includes a living room and a bathroom. Measuring just 195 square feet, these no-frills cabin kits are perfect for those seeking a minimalist, cozy retreat. Number 1. Cedarshed FarmHouse. The Cedarshed FarmHouse is a rustic yet versatile mid-sized shed measuring 16 feet long by 12 feet wide. Made from western red cedar with panelized wall sections and a cedar roof featuring pre-attached shingles, it's durable and easy to assemble. Its charming covered porch and decorative windows with planter boxes give it a homely feel, making it a great option for various uses, from storage to a comfortable living space. With these diverse options, you can find a kit home that fits your specific needs and preferences, whether you're looking for a modern retreat, a functional guest house, or a creative studio. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. So which tiny house kit caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting home inspiration.